Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to continue to build small binary option account from $100 to 1,000. We have now reached 940-ish. So today is the day where we can pass $1,000 and reach our target. You can use this Alpha One iBot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you have any questions, put them below the video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot. And there we have it. We have now built a small account from $100 to 1,000. As you see now, the balance is $1,012. So we successfully did build a small account to be a reasonable big account. You can too. Just use the link you see up there right now with this robot thing, or you can just use the link below the video and you can get started and make money like I have done with this Alpha One iBot also. So with that, have an amazing day.